Sitting in a graveyard late one night, didn't know why. Had on no guitar and a bottle of wine, thinking of a moon hanging in the sky. Kudzu Grove. Had a little tune going through my head, and I started to cry. Burden laying heavy on my heart, too much on my mind. I was staring out at the shadows when a tall woman appeared. Heard her whisper, "We know why you're here," and all around you they were together. The guitar was in my hand, everybody singing with their soul. Could see the release on all their faces, but they knew it was time to go. They left me there. The cold gray dawn. Like a man walking in his sleep, made it back to my car. But now I had a shotgun rider. She said, "I ain't gonna fall. I hope you remember what you seen here for as long as you live. I'm gonna have to leave you now, but you got something to give."
I like the way you walk, I like the way you talk, Susie. you'll be true. Say that you'll be true. Say that you'll be true and never make me blue. Oh, baby, so insecure. Oh, Susie Q. Oh, Susie Q.